Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today, I am going to be giving you a review about these tags that I have purchased. And you just clip it like this. I've been seeing these on Instagram for different accounts, and I was wondering. Wow, I was saying to myself, like, these are nice. And this is my logo, UFAR. U is my husband's first initial, and F-E-R is my third when you write my name, Frida, F-E-R. That's my logo. And it's so nice. It looks so professional, and I thought to myself, wow, because I ordered these. Let me get a closer look. I ordered these a couple of years ago, and then you sew them, and then it's a hassle, right? Okay, it's nice and it looks nice and stuff, but yeah, everyone hates sewing. So I thought to myself, okay, I ordered these on, his name is Hasan Sevgiler. I also ordered these from him. It says made in Canada, ufair.etsy.com, and I sold these on my knitted items, my sweaters, my cardigans, and it's very nice. Well, I live in Canada, right? So everything I make there is made in Canada. And the supplies that I use is try to choose the best quality. So this is a sew-on, and this is a sew-on that I have purchased from him. So this is not new to me. So let me show his website here. He's on Etsy.com. Okay, let me just go. Okay, his store's name is called Eyluldesigns, and I will put the link below. The reason I'm doing this review, because I had a couple of people emailing me instead of putting the comments on the video that I have talked about. That's okay, no problem. It's nice to get emails. So I ordered 50 pieces personalized PU leather tag with rivet for knitting. No need to stitch. So here are the pictures, just to give you an idea. He has different colors as well if you want to pick. And I paid $56 plus shipping, of course. But I'm in Turkey, right? I'm here to visit. So I thought to myself, well, while I'm here, I'll have it, instead of waiting 3 weeks to have to be mailed to Canada, right? Okay, so this is his shop, and he has other stuff too, not only these tags. Like you can personalize anything you want. Yeah, you can check he has lots of stuff. I haven't gave him the review yet. So I paid $62.65 Canadian, and I paid $5 for shipping because it was delivered to here. Like, it just arrived Friday, so it took 5 days. 5 days for me to receive it. I loved it. I'm gonna give him a review and post a picture on his review. Okay, and yeah, let's talk about this. Like, it's a pretty quality stuff, and I love it. Just love how it looks. And if you want to wash it, just remove this so you don't have to worry about it falling apart or, you know, anything else. So I'll just show you how I'm going to, I already put this on this baby blanket that I have crochet, and I just recently finished this one. So let me just pull this. So where I pick is where I do the finishing. So I'm going to be putting it like this. Okay. And then you just clip it just like this. Ta-da! Isn't this nice? Oh my goodness. Looks really professional. Well, I still have these. I need to finish. I have so many that I think I ordered about 1,000 of this. And I only ordered 50. I don't know. I might order more. Yeah, because it's leather. It's more expensive than fabric. So I'm very happy with this. And then you just remove it if you wanna, you know, wash it. You just clip it from here. And then take it off and put it in your washer and then put it back on. It's so easy. Ta-da! And it just clicks right away. I just love it, and it looks so nice, doesn't it? Okay, so this is just a short review. I just wanted to talk about this because I was so excited when I received them. Like, it's, wow, it's nice leather. Nice and soft. And then you can customize any color you want. Like, I picked this color, but there's other colors as well if you want to go ahead with it. Yeah, so I will put the links below where you can get a hold of them, because I opened my Etsy shop in 2009, and I've been searching for years and years and years, and like, it's so expensive. They were like charging, first they need to design, and then they were charging for that. And then I said to myself, wow. So I found, I looked, and I found Eyluldesigns. Eyluldesigns means, Eylul is the month of September. If anyone wonders, what does that mean, Eylul? Eylul is the month of September, and designs is designs. So September designs, I guess they could have called, but they call it in Turkish, so it's Eyluldesigns. And yeah, and his price is very reasonable. Just to show you how it looks. Nice, very nice. I really like it. And you can put this on any garments you want. Knitting, and then you just click it. Knitting, crocheting, on hats, anything. Especially if you're selling them. Just put your logo on. It's nice quality. So I hope you like this review, and go and check them out. I have nothing to do with it. I used my own money. I paid them. Like, they didn't gift me anything, and I'm just doing this by heart. Just wanted to give him a nice review. And yeah, I think he works with his wife as well. So they're husband and wife working together, and they're based in Istanbul. So the package came, like, I'm in Bursa, and then the package came with UPS to Bursa in like a couple of hours. Like, he shipped it on Friday, and I just received it the same day. So I was so excited about that. Very super fast service. And even in Canada, it takes 3 weeks for me to receive it. 2 to 3 weeks, depends on the customs, right? Oh, customs, it's a headache, aren't they? Like, I ordered yarn from Ukraine, I believe. Yeah, Ukraine, and it's even in here in Turkey, it has been in the customs for 3 days. They just released it. So I need to knit something for a customer, and I'm waiting for the yarn. Yeah. Here we go. And I hope you like this tutorial, just to give you an idea how these clip-ons work. I don't know what these are called, clip-ons, or it says leather tag with rivet. But it's very nice. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and happy knitting, happy crocheting, and have a great summer.